Psalms chapter 19. God's glory in creation. How clearly the sky reveals God's glory. How plainly it shows what He has done. Each day announces it to the following day. Each night repeats it to the next. No speech or words are used. No sound is heard. Yet their message goes out to all the world. And He is heard to the ends of the earth. God made a home in the sky for the sun. It comes out in the morning like a happy bridegroom, like an athlete eager to run a race. It starts at one end of the sky and goes across to the other. Nothing can hide from its heat. The law of the Lord. The law of the Lord is perfect. It gives new strength. The commands of the Lord are trustworthy, giving wisdom to those who lack it. The laws of the Lord are right, and those who obey them are happy. The commands of the Lord are just and give understanding to the mind. Reverence for the Lord is good. It will continue forever. The judgments of the Lord are just. They are always fair. They are more desirable than the finest gold. They are sweeter than the purest honey. They give knowledge to me, your servant. I am rewarded for obeying them. No one can see his own errors. Deliver me, Lord, from hidden faults. Keep me safe also from wilful sins. Don't let them rule over me. Then I shall be perfect and free from the evil of sin. May my words and my thoughts be acceptable to you, O Lord, my refuge and my Redeemer. Psalms chapter 20. A prayer for victory. May the Lord answer you when you are in trouble. May the God of Jacob protect you. May He send you help from His temple and give you aid from Mount Zion. May He accept all your offerings and be pleased with all your sacrifices. May He give you what you desire and make all your plans succeed. Then we will shout for joy over your victory and celebrate your triumph by praising our God. May the Lord answer all your requests. Now I know that the Lord give victory to his chosen king. He answers him from his holy heaven, and by his power gives him great victories. Some trust in their war chariots, and others in their horses. But we trust in the power of the Lord our God. Such people will stumble and fall, but we will rise and stand firm. Give victory to the King, O Lord. Answer us when we call. Psalms chapter 21. Praise for victory. The King is glad, O Lord, because you gave him strength. He rejoices because you made him victorious. You have given him his heart's desire. You have answered his request. You came to him with great blessings and set a crown of gold on his head. He asked for life, and you gave it, a long and lasting life. His glory is great because of your help. You have given him fame and majesty. Your blessings are with him forever, and your presence fills him with joy. The king trusts in the Lord Almighty, and because of the Lord's constant love, he will always be secure. The king will capture all his enemies. He will capture everyone who hates him. He will destroy them like a blazing fire when he appears. The Lord will devour them in his anger, and fire will consume them. None of their descendants will survive. The king will kill them all. They make their plans and plot against him, but they will not succeed. He will shoot his arrows at them and make them turn and run. We praise you, Lord, for your great strength. We will sing and praise your power. Psalms chapter 22. A cry of anguish and a song of praise. My God, why have you abandoned me? I have cried desperately for help, but still it does not come. During the day I call to you, my God, but you do not answer. I call at night, but get no rest. But you are enthroned as the Holy One, the One whom Israel praises. Our ancestors put their trust in you. They trusted you, and you saved them. They called to you and escaped from danger. They trusted you and were not disappointed. But I am no longer a human being. I am a worm, despised and scorned by everyone. All who see my jeer at me, they stick out their tongues and shake their heads. You relied on the Lord, they say. Why doesn't he save you? If the Lord likes you, why doesn't he help you? It was you who brought me safely through birth, and when I was a baby, you kept me safe. I have relied on you since the day I was born, and you have always been my God. Do not stay away from me. Trouble is near, and there is no one to help. My enemies surround me like bulls. They are all around me, like fierce bulls from the land of Bashan. They open their mouths like lions, roaring and tearing at me. My strength is gone, gone like water spilt on the ground. All my bones are out of joint. My heart is like melted wax. My throat is as dry as dust, and my tongue sticks to the roof of my mouth. You have left me for dead in the dust. An evil gang is round me. Like pack of dogs, they close in on me. They tear at my hands and feet. All my bones can be seen. My enemies look at me and stare. They gamble for my clothes and divide them among themselves. O Lord, don't stay away from me. Come quickly to my rescue. Save me from the sword. Save my life from those dogs. Rescue me from these lions. I am helpless before these wild bulls. I will tell my people what you have done. I will praise you in their assembly. Praise him, you servants of the Lord. Honor him, you descendants of Jacob. Worship him, you people of Israel. He does not neglect the poor or ignore their suffering. He does not turn away from them, but answers what they call for help. In the full assembly, I will praise you for what you have done. In the presence of those who worship you, I will offer the sacrifices I promised. The poor will eat as much as they want. Those who come to the Lord will praise him. May they prosper forever. All nations will remember the Lord. From every part of the world, they will turn to him. All races will worship him. The Lord is king, and he rules the nations. All proud people will bow down to him. All mortals will bow down before him. Future generations will serve him. They will speak of the Lord to the coming generation. People not yet born will be told, "The Lord saved his people." This is the word of the Lord. Thanks to be to the God.